Happy Sunday, friends. We are starting out with a new vlog, doing a few household update, which I love. Thanking my hubby who's sitting on the floor, who's giving me side eye, but it's okay. So we're getting our windows installed today, and I don't even know how to act. I am so excited. We are switching over from these picture windows, which I absolutely love. Second guessing my design, but I know the new design is going to be so beautiful as well, so I look forward to it. Yeah guys, new windows are coming in today. So I would like to start out by thanking our sponsor of the day. I would like to thank Universal Windows Direct for sponsoring this video. So on this particular day, we were getting a room ready for window installation. So hubby and myself will remove like the blinds and every little things, making space for Jesse and Austin that came from Universal Windows. You guys, they're pretty much like did everything in one day. They removed the previous windows, they hauled them away, they cleaned up within the process and all of that good stuff, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. Everything was done in one day, super fast and super efficient. So if you don't know about Universal Window is definitely, I'll say, the highest rated window company out there. Not because I am working with them, it's because they offer a true life warranty. And guys, when I got my warranty, it is like 1, 2, 3. It's self-explanatory. They cover every single part of their windows. I've learned a lot about windows and parts of windows when I got my free at-home estimate done for free. So if you check my link in the description box, you can definitely get that done at the comfort of your home. They bring the showroom to you. There's so many parts and style to a window that I didn't even know of. It felt amazing. Universal Window is offering right now their BOGO deal, buy 2 get 2 free windows. And I'm saving the best for last. Universal Window is currently offering 36 months, no payment, no interest on all their windows. So the true life warranty is transferable to the next homeowners. I felt a tremendous difference, not only in the temperature of our home once the new window were installed, and also noise reduction. So if you are wondering whether your windows are energy efficient, all you have to do is just get your free at-home estimate done. It's definitely an investment, but you are covered with the assurance that all the parts of your windows are warranty and protected by Universal Windows. So my friends, if you know someone that's in need of a new window, you can earn up to $150 for every single person that you refer to Universal Windows. So definitely check the link down below. Take advantage of this BOGO deal and also the 36 months interest rate. So I'll have a whole video coming up showing you guys more of the process, my free at-home estimation, and also why it's very important to switch to energy efficient windows. So thank you so much for Universal Window for sponsoring this video, and check the link down below, my friends. We moved this mirror finally. We have it moved. Somebody's been extremely annoying. But yeah, we moved the mirror right here. I'm not sure. I wanted at first on this side, which I still feel like you can do, because I will move the console table that's downstairs up here, just to have a little extraness. What you think, babe?
You don't want to put it in front of Eli's room. I'm sorry, Eli, but that's calling for disaster.
Wait.
What?
Sorry.
Put what in front of my
The mirror. We don't want that big mirror in front
I
of
don't want it in front of my room.
There you go.
You don't pay bills.
I walk past it every day.
That's a disaster, so please, no.
So I'm going to add a few pictures here. This is a picture of Valerie. I think this is preschool, right? Right, Valerie?
No.
Yes, it was preschool. She was a flower girl at her teacher's wedding, which I'm still pissed at that teacher because she never said thank you. But anyway. Ooh. Oh man, I'm about to switch this over to this frame. Here is a frame right here from Target. It is currently being discontinued, but you can find it online sometimes and also in stores. So I got it for like, I think it was like $50 a frame, but it's being sold for $30 a frame right now. So yeah, Love it. It's a dupe for RH on a budget.
Slowly but surely, we're bringing this house together. We will have family pictures in these picture frame. I love black and white ones, so that is the plan right now. So I bought this picture frame last year before I even moved into this home. I thought it was such like a dupe for RH, so I always brag about it or talk about them on Instagram. So my ideal look was to have these 4 frames right here, so I'll have pictures of each kid and 1 frame for a picture of myself and hubby, and also move the console table that was previously in my living room to up here just to give it more of a finished look. So yeah, you guys, slowly but surely we're coming along with this house. Backtrack a little bit before the windows were installed. I really want to get your input on this with family. I love hearing your thoughts on this. I would like to extend my curtains to where the door is to the left, so that is our back door before our curtains stop where the rod stops, so right before the door starts, right? So I would like to expand that. What do you guys think? Give me your thoughts down below on that design in particular. I would love to do it. I think it's gonna make that wall look so much better and so much more neater, and also make it float together. So give me your thoughts down below. I was just cleaning after the installers left, just trying to get the house back in order. You guys can see a snippet on how my new windows look. I can't wait to show you guys the whole look. I'm having designer regrets. I wish I did the bay window in the main living space as well, because guys, it's just so beautiful. It really makes the whole space look more grand and spacious. But until the next time, my friend, I hope you guys check the link down below, get your free at-home estimate done, and also I see you guys very soon in an upcoming video. Love y'all. Bye.
Okay, now
Myself and hubby are just standing there, just loving the view.
So now what you need to do now?
It's like a bougie
So
Beverly Hills view here.
Okay.